A very happy morning to you, my dear students. You all have done very well in your exams, and now we are going to start with the portion for your second semester. So, for subject General Knowledge for Standard 5, our topic is Lesson 27, Optical Illusion. Optical refers to vision, eyesight, okay? And when I say optical illusion, it is something related, illusion, a false appearance that you perceive which is related with your vision. Illusion means a false appearance. Okay, optical illusion. So, you start believing something which is not actually true. So, this type of optical illusion occurs when our eyes send information to our brain and then that tricks us into seeing things which may not be real. You see something and you start believing that something else is true. Okay, so you will understand this better when I will show you the video. Let's watch the video. So students, pay attention to the video and then you will understand what is optical illusion.
Optical illusion. Brain strain is red lines are parallel.
Now here, when you look at this picture, what do you see? Red lines, 4 red lines. Okay. Now, when you keep looking at this image, you feel that the red line is out here. In this case, you feel it is inside. Whereas in this picture, since the lines are going inside, you feel that the red lines are outside. But neither here it is inside nor here it is outside. They are all parallel. Okay, so they all are parallel. So now what makes you believe that this here it is inside and here it is outside? It is the way your eyes see the image and sends information to your brain which makes you believe so. So that is what is called as illusion. Let's see the other image.
Flag, both are of the same size.
Now when you look at this flag, flag A, if you look at the size of flag A and B, when you look at this image, you feel this is smaller and this is bigger. Okay, and the way you see it, you send the information to your brain that flag A is small and flag B is big. But that is an illusion. That is not a real image. That is a false belief. Why? When let's measure and see. If you measure and see 1 and 2, correct? Here again 1 and 2. They both are same. Okay? Picture A and B, flag A and B are same. So it is illusion that makes you think that A is smaller and B is bigger. Next one.
Line, both are of the same size.
Now look carefully at line AB and line CD. At one look, you feel this is longer and this is shorter, but it is an illusion. If you look carefully, you will understand both are of the same size. Let's see here 1 and 2. Okay, let's see here 1 and the full size 2. They both are same. So this is what we call as optical illusion. Seeing things which actually are not true. Okay.
Line, both are of.
Now look at this picture. Line AB and line CD. Now that you know that there is optical illusion, now you look carefully. Because here it is narrowing down, you feel this is longer and here it is widened, and when you look at it, you feel it is shorter. But frankly speaking, they both are of the same size. Okay.
Are of the same size.
So students, now that you have learned about optical illusion, you must be wondering, how is it going to help us? Yes, the amazing fact is illusions are sometimes used for safety. Because we know that at times our eyes and information which tricks our brains to believe certain thing which is actually not. This illusion can be actually used for safety. Here you can see Chicago Lakeshore Drive has a dangerous S-shaped curve. So, at this particular road, you have driveway, you have this dangerous S-shaped curve. Now, what happens? What is done over here? They have made a very good use of illusion. White lines, you can see the white lines. White lines are painted perpendicular. So, the car is driving this way. The white lines on the road is made perpendicular. Now, what happens? What happens as the white lines, as you are traveling in the car, white line gets closer together as a driver approaches the sharpest part of the curve. So, as he reaches the sharpest curve, it seems that the perpendicular lines are coming closer much faster. And what happens then? This creates an illusion. So, it gives a false impression to the driver and he starts thinking that they are speeding up, they are driving very fast. So, they tend to slow down. So, they slow down and there are fewer accidents. So, because they make use of this illusion to actually compel the drivers to slow the speed. Okay, and because it is done, what happens? Accidents are avoided. So, illusions can also be used for the purpose of safety and for real life value. Okay, in real life value, I could say this is the proverb which you should remember. All that glitters is not gold. We all know that gold is a shiny, it is a metal that glitters, it has a shine, yes, and it's not just the external shine or beauty that makes gold precious. Why is gold precious? Because of its true nature. उसकी जो true property है, true उसकी value है because of quality that it has, the property it has. What is that? Gold is very soft metal compared to all other metal. This is a soft metal and therefore because it is soft, it can be designed into nice beautiful patterns and lovely ornaments can be made out of gold. But can we compare the other metals which just because they shine, they have the external appearance shine, can it be as precious as gold? No, because it does not have the nature and the property of gold. So, remember this proverb means it applies in your real life also. Attractive and beautiful external appearance of someone or something. Just because some person or something looks externally, bahar se sundar dikh raha ho, beautiful, lovely, it often happens, no, you see certain toys and you feel so nice and you compel mummy to buy. No. What you have to see, it's not just the external beautiful appearance, you need to see the real value of the thing lies in, the real utility, the real nature, in case of person, it is the real beauty lies in what the person's behavior or attitude is. Okay. So, remember all that glitters is not gold. The attractive and beautiful external appearance of someone or something is not the real picture, is not the real indication of what that person or thing, real nature or value of that person or thing is. Okay. So, I hope you had a wonderful learning. Happy learning. God bless you all.